Running this 2021 Mercury ProXS 225 V8 on this beautiful 2022 Z20 Nitro boat. This is Richard Knopfsinger's boat. I just did the first service on it. I hooked up my connection to the engine, and it has 29.9 hours on it. So, new engine oil, new oil filter. I put the date and engine hours on the filter. New gear oil. It had some, pulled the prop off to replace the gear oil. It had some string, fishing string around the prop shaft. Remove that, replace the gear oil, lubed up the prop shaft before putting the prop and stuff back on. Said it goes over 70 miles per hour in this boat. On this, he's good to go for another 100 hours, and till next time.